Assalamu alaikum guys, and welcome to another episode of Smile to Jannah. I'm going to get comfortable for this one because this is a belter, mate. Yeah, Marvel, we know, started off strong, but now they've gone a bit crazy. They've gone a bit nuts. Yeah, look at the new Thor Love and Thunder. Mad shirky, probably the shirkiest thing that I've seen in time. Lightyear. Yeah, it's not Marvel, but two women kissing each other. Like, it's going mental, yeah? It's going crazy. So, what is the next thing that's popped up? Well, let me tell you. Now, I'm not lying. You can search this up. It's somebody that's been given the title, the Israeli superhero. Now, how on earth does this even make sense? Quranly app. Subscription cheaper than Netflix, encouraging Quran reading, modern, engaging and fun. Download it today. An Israeli superhero. That's like a murderer who is, I don't know, a children's storybook reader. How do the two even go together, mate? An Israeli superhero. A quote-unquote country that's predicated on wiping out the Arabs, the Palestinians. It's ridiculous. The superhero is called Sabra. This is from the comic books, yeah? They're yet to make a movie on this. She goes to a place where there is an illiterate Arab, yeah, a little kid who's a liar and a thief. And then he's killed by a black veiled bomber. I mean, this is ridiculous, frankly. Yeah? This shouts Orientalism through and through, mate. Yeah? So when you look at this, it's portraying those typical stereotypes. What a joke. Now, it's going to be interesting how they're going to portray this whole Palestinian-Israel kind of conflict. It's going to be very interesting. I hope it's not going to be like the old Aladdin. Yeah, if you remember at the start of Aladdin, there's madness going on there as well.
Gave her wonders.
It is I, Gazim, the humble thief.
Yeah, a lot of these. But now people are somewhat, hopefully, after watching Smile to Jannah, you guys are going to be a bit wise to these sorts of things and you're going to be like, yo, this is dodgy. I'm going to take my kids off of this dodgy diet, mate. Dodgy diet. This is the joke of the century, mate. An Israeli superhero. They have clearly lost the plot. They've gone crazy, mate. So guys, I want to leave it there, yeah? I want to leave it there. And I want to continue highlighting what's being fed to our kids, what's going on in the media. And I want you guys to always view this stuff with a critical eye. That's what I want you to do. Let's leave it there, guys. Until next time. Assalamu alaikum.